Hi everyone, it's Keisha and I'm here to give my review of Junior Anthony's Live Sotori 2-day workshop on making money online. I found this workshop to be very engaging and insightful, energetic, and really gave a solid foundation for getting started with what you need to know if you really want to be successful in the online digital marketplace. So Junior is an inspirational person. He shares his story, how he made his money, how he got to where he has gotten, everything he's achieved in his young life. And he also shares his philosophy towards money and success. And so it introduces like a mindset shift that's needed in order to be successful and really do what's needed, do what you have to do in order to be successful at this. He doesn't sugarcoat things. It's not, easy. He's not telling you what you want to hear so that you'll spend money with him or just do the program and just kind of selling you dreams. I think he is realistic about what it takes, how much work you have to put into it. And with that realism, you get good advice on how to move forward. In addition to his philosophy towards just the approach he's taking and his mindset, he also gives some concrete steps towards, what you would need to do in order to start with affiliate marketing, which he highlights as one of the easiest ways to get started with making money online. Like how you go get the affiliate links and how you could use sources like Facebook in order to target a market that would be, interested in the product that you would be an affiliate for. And so it's a good foundation in terms of just being introduced to it and understanding what it takes so you kind of know what you're getting into. I also appreciate that the program is at a reasonable price. So it's something where people at, all different income levels could have access to it and really have an opportunity to change their lives. A lot of programs, they put the amount of information or just the real information that's provided here behind, thousands of dollars sometimes. And I've tried several programs. They provided good information and I've learned a lot, but I haven't made any money yet. And so this program was recommended to me, and my friend who recommended me, he's actually made money, and that's more than I could say with some of the other programs I've tried. So, I went into it with high expectations, and I felt like my expectations were met. So I'm really excited to get started. After doing the 2-day workshop, I decided to move forward with the Earn While You Learn program. And so I'm getting started with that now. So I would highly recommend Junior's program. It's not for the faint of heart. So go in, know that you're going to, get good information, that you're going to get real information. You're just not going to be told anything just to get you to move forward. It's really going to be, what's useful for making the decision about whether you want to do this and getting the information needed to just get started. Another thing that's emphasized is just the collaboration and the family aspect that Junior tries to cultivate. So I do think that's a benefit as well compared to other programs I've tried. So again, I highly recommend it. I encourage you to check it out. And, if you do, let me know what you think. Thanks for listening, and I wish you the best of luck.